Hey y'all, so I'm out here at the front porch. I've got three um, planter boxes. Can't really see them from here. Three big cement planter boxes. Each of them has two Ligustrum and a Mugo pine. And what I'm going to be doing today is going through. These Ligustrum have gotten really big, and so we're just going to be cutting these back. The Mugos, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them yet. Uh, they'll probably wait until a little bit later in uh, late summer, so late August, maybe early September. I'll come in here and wire these up. I mean, you can see right here. Um, they're fairly big. The one in the middle is actually a dwarf Mugo. So what I'm probably going to do with these is wire them up a little bit and see if I can't get some good movement in them. Um, Probably wind up taking out some of this. That probably won't be till it'll be a while, because these are gonna basically live in these planter boxes. So, but today we'll be focusing on these Ligstrums and just cleaning them up a bit, taking them back. Because they have gotten quite overgrown. And I'll just speed through this, let y'all see it. If there's anything important, there's some big hefty ones, or hefty trunks. Most of this is going to be um, just stuff that, just a little cleanup, just a little um, quick video. It shouldn't take too long. All right, that's all we're going to be cutting off of this first one. I lied. That's all we're going to be cutting off this first one. So you've got, this is our tallest trunk. This is going to be our thickest. Kind of you want, well, Those are technically two different trees. Um, well, hedges, whatever. Um, but so what I'm trying to do here is I want multiple trunks here so that we can get a nice rounded top. Um, that way we kind of see this. We'll be giving this a little bit of movement. About like that. This one will tilt out a little bit and then bring this vertical up a little bit. Probably bend it over like that. Just to kind of give it that nice little dome shape. Everything that we cut off of it, right down here, probably 60-70% of the foliage. This one was actually the least healthy when I planted all of these. It had a lot of interior growth that just was dead. But it bounced back real nice. This is just in, it was a little bit of pine bark and then my normal compost mix. So compost and then topsoil, and then 1 part topsoil, 1 part a 50-50 blend of manure and decomposed manure and mushroom compost. And I mean, these things have just gone crazy. I planted these in, I want to say mid-April. And I mean, when I planted them, all of them look very similar to this. And now they're looking more like this. And so what I'll do is I'll go ahead, I'm going to do all of these. I'll throw it down in a time lapse. And I'll see y'all when I get done. All right. All right, so that was just a quick trim of all my Lingstrums. Right here, I'm standing by that little dwarf I was talking about earlier. Um, it These will all get wired, and I'll figure out something to do with them later in the fall. Um, but yeah, just a real quick haircut on all of them. They were getting pretty bushy. Hold on just a second. This is what I cut off of all of them. It's just a big old pile of, yeah. So, big haircut. This one right here is one that's a little groupling. It's actually 3 different trees. And what I'm going to wind up doing with these is probably wire them out, try and get them be a little bit more distinct. Probably bring this one over and then back up, and then just gradually this one will come out and back up. Bring that over here. But yeah, so these are just a bunch. They've been planted since about April, like I said, and they've just taken off in these planter boxes. It's like 9 inches by 4 feet by about 9 inches. And there's 3 trees in each plant, in each box. I did not put a divider in between each tree. Probably should have. So when these all need to get repotted, do some root work on them. That's going to be a pain in the butt. It shouldn't be too bad. Just take a blade and just basically cut it into squares and pull each square out individually. That should be fine. And then whatever dead roots I need to get rid of, I can get rid of. So until the next time I see y'all in the bitch in the backyard, just remember to grow them big, but keep them small.